I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Supernova Hair. Shout out to you, Supernova, for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and then we are going to get into this unit. Y'all, don't be mad at me. I never forget to do this. I don't know what I was thinking, but this unit, I forgot to show you guys the cap construction. This unit is a 5x5 lace closure. I'm going to have pictures of it later on in the outro portion of this video so you guys can really see it, but it is a 5x5 lace closure. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And y'all, I'm so sorry. I cannot believe I forgot to show you guys that. I never forget. What was you thinking, girl? But anyways, I'm going to show you guys pictures of that from the site in the outro portion of this video. Please forgive me, y'all. Just please forgive me. But anyways, this unit is a loose deep wave texture, and it is 26 inches long. Yes, girl, you heard me right. 26 inches, girl. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit, and then we will get into more details, specs, and all that good stuff later on in the outro. So if you are interested in that, then I will see you in the outro. Bye. So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Supernova Hair. Shout out to you, Supernova, for sending me this unit. This is my first time working with this company, so I was really excited to use this wig. I mean, not to use this, to receive this wig and review it, because I love working with new companies. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love to kind of, you know, get something different and see if I like it and all that good stuff. So shout out to you, Supernova, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so this isn't necessarily like a review. It's more of a first impressions. I've never worked with this company before, and I've never worn this wig before, so it's more of a first impression. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys details and specs that I have right here, and then we will get into later on what I personally think about this unit. So It says human hair wig, loose deep wave, 5x5. Can you talk today, girl? 5x5 closure wig, glueless lace wig, and it has brand name Supernova Hair. Hair density, it does come in 180% density, 200%, and 250%. It says hair texture, loose deep wave hair, 5x5 lace closure wig. The color is a natural black. It says 10 to 40 inch attention. Wigs over 22 inches. Closure part is 20 inches. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, but I just want to tell you what they had on here. Now it says you can get this wig in a small, medium, or large, and I'm just going to check, and it doesn't appear that it changes the price no matter what size you have. It says, okay, so yeah, it says the lace color is medium brown color, one piece. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys like what I personally have. Now I have this wig in a small cap size. Yes, honey, it fits really well. You guys know I used to always get a medium, but I got a medium because I used to have so much hair that a small would not fit because it was just so much hair on my head. So I have this wig in a medium, in a small, and it fits really well. I would recommend if you have a smaller head to get a small. If you have a medium head, get a medium, and if you got a large head, girl, you got a water head, you get a water size wig, or aka a large. Okay, so some more details and specs about the unit that I am rocking. This unit, I do have it in 26 inches, girl. 26 inches, girl. Like, that's pretty long, especially for me because I am 5'4", and I will be doing a length check so you guys can see how long it is on me. And I do have it in 180% density. So those are the details and specs as far as it goes for me. Now let me give you guys like the pricing and all of that good stuff. So if you get this wig in 10 inches and you get 180% density, it'll be $104, honey, okay? If you get this wig in 26 inches, which is the length that I have, it'll be $295, girl. And if you get it in the longest length that they have, girl, believe it or not, the longest length that they have is 40 inches. So if you do get this hair in 40 inches, in a medium cap size and 180% density, it is going to be $488. Okay, so I wanted you guys just to kind of get an idea of the pricing with this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys look at the hairline. I did not tweeze this hairline, did nothing to it other than, you know, hot comb it. So this is what the hairline comes like. I think the hairline looks really good, especially for it to be a closure wig. You guys have probably heard me say this multiple times, especially as of late, that a lot of the closure wigs seem, the hairline is just thicker than a snicker, girl. I don't know what it is about it, but all the hairlines come super thick. But to me, the hairline on this one looks really good, especially for it to be a closure. Now, I will admit this, when I put the hair on, the parting space to me seemed to need tweezing. I wasn't finna do it, girl. I was not. I'm not finna tweeze no part. It gotta be like this for me to tweeze it, and it wasn't like that. And I'll be honest, once I applied my Sephora Micro Smooth, I don't think the parting space need tweezing at all, but that is like a personal preference. Now, if you feel like it does and you feel like you want to open it up a little more, then girl, do you, honey. It's your hair. You spent your coins. I just personally felt like after I applied my powder, it didn't need any tweezing. So maybe, this is just suggesting, honey, maybe you should apply your concealer or powder and then see if you still feel like it needs a little extra sun, okay? So I would do that personally, but yeah, I feel like it doesn't. Like, I feel like it looks good. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling goes, I feel like it's not really tangly whatsoever, especially for as long as it is and it being like a loose deep wave. I do hit like a few snags, but they're not snags that I can't run my fingers through. So does that equate tangle? Like, I can kind of hear like a crunch. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, it's not tangly, but I can see it getting tangly at some point, you know what I mean? Like, I can run my fingers through it, but I can see at some point it may get tangly. So, but it feels really good. Like, it's not really what I would call tangly, especially for the length. And as far as shedding, I haven't noticed any shedding yet, but I'm pretty sure at some point maybe it will, but right now it is not shedding on your girl whatsoever. Okay, as far as the density goes with this unit, I do feel like even though it's 180% density, I feel like it is really full. Like 180 is full anyway, but they also do offer a 200 and a 250, and I don't even want to see the 250 because the 180 is extremely full in my personal opinion. It's full, but it's not heavy. So I'm gonna show you guys that and let you guys get a good look at that as well. And yeah, so if you are interested, oh, and I want to tell you guys with the 5x5 closures, like a closure is like it's not a frontal. It doesn't go all the way across as you guys saw in the beginning, but you can part it. Like literally where you see my baby hairs at, like basically it goes from here to here. So you can part elsewhere if you want to. I'm wearing a middle part. You don't have to. You can wear a side part or a left side part or a right side part. That is completely up to you. I am personally wearing a middle part, but you can part this where you want. So yeah, now I'm gonna give you guys a length check and we can get into how I feel about this unit. So this is where the hair comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4", so I'm not super tall. I mean, I ain't short, girl, but I'm not super tall. This is where it comes to me. And this is where the hair comes to me in the back. That's almost hit my butt, and that is it curled up, okay? So keep that in mind. It's not a straight unit. That is where it comes to me curled up, and I am 5'4". Okay, so yeah, that is the hair. That's where it comes to me. Now, if you're interested in what I did to the unit and products and stuff that I use, this next part of the video is for you. Okay, so how do I feel about it? I honestly love this unit. This is the first time I've ever worked with this company, and just like straight off the bat, I think the hair is really nice. I love the hairline. I love the fact that the hairline looks good and it's a closure, okay, because I do prefer closures, but I always feel like the hairline is just not always like where I want it to be when it comes to a closure as against like how a hairline looks on a frontal. So I was really pleasantly surprised by the hairline on this closure. But I will be wearing this unit for a few days, and yeah, I'll really know like whether or not I love it as much as I think I do. But right now, I love this wig. I have no issues with it whatsoever. Now, as far as what I used on it, I literally didn't do much. I used my Gots to Be Glued freeze spray on the hair, on the lace up here. I applied my Sephora Micro Smooth. I did use some edge control on my baby hairs because, girl, these baby hairs have been giving me the blues, and the mousse just ain't getting it, girl. Okay, it's just not getting it. I understand that people want their baby hairs to look a little bit more effortless. I want them to stay, okay? I want them to stay. I ain't got time for all that effortless and all of the, I don't have time for that, girl. Okay, I am from the 90s. We like for stuff to hold, okay? We used to have a whole jar of gel on our head, okay? So, I ain't got time for all that effortless stuff and it not lasting. I just don't. As long as it ain't crunchy and flaking, I'm fine. And right now it's not. So that's what I used on my baby hairs. And yeah, that was pretty much it, other than like just running my fingers through the hair. I didn't apply any product to this hair other than, you know, the mousse and a little bit of Gots to Be Glued like right there in the top, just to get to lay it like I wanted to lay, and to kind of give that, you know, that little fake frontal effect in the front so you guys could see the baby hairs. And that is that, girl. I did nothing else to her. I love this hair. It feels so good. She will get worn a lot. It is easy. It is effortless. I got on my like bohemian type dress, girl, because she's like giving me that like beach tropical type of vibe, honey, so you can pretend like you on somebody's vacation even though you ain't on nobody's vacation, simply because coronavirus just will not let us be great. So honey, I can just give you guys the illusion that I'm on somebody's vacation, girl. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. Let me know what you think down below. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you're feeling it, if you're not feeling it, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.